Welcome back. We continue tracking the alarming rise in COVID numbers across India and especially Maharashtra. Latest number from Health Ministry suggests that over 78% of new COVID cases are from 5 states, among which Maharashtra remains to be the worst hit. So that's the latest that we are tracking as far as COVID caseload in the country is concerned. And in the wake of rising COVID cases, Mumbai civic body and state government are reviewing the COVID situation in the next 48 hours. That's the latest. They're reviewing the COVID situation. Crucial meetings have been scheduled today and tomorrow by both the state governments and civic body. One of the key points for discussion is the possibility of night curfew that both state and civic bodies are examining. So that's the latest. In the backdrop of rising cases, COVID cases in the state of Maharashtra, crucial bodies have been lined up for today and tomorrow. Civic bodies are examining the possibility of a night curfew in Mumbai. Right, as we were telling you, the alarming rise in COVID cases across India. The latest number from Health Ministry suggests that 78% of new COVID cases are from 5 states, among which Maharashtra remains to be the worst hit. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman on the broadcast. Ayushman, we've seen in the past also how the centre has in fact warned 3 states where the COVID cases are rising to pull up their socks. And today again the latest number suggests that 5 states make up for the 78% COVID caseload in the country. Which are these 5 states, and has the centre attributed any particular cause to this rise?
Well, currently, if you see the state of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab are among the 5 states which are there in the line where 78% cases are coming. But if you see the larger picture, there are about 8 states which include the national capital also. Kerala is out of that list for sure. But these are the 8 states which are witnessing an upward trend if compared from past few days. Now, if you see the today's number of COVID in India, it has gone past what we have seen in past 3 months, which is December 26th figure, where more than 26,000 cases came to light. And if you see the active case category, it has again gone past more than 40 days above what we saw on January 11th. The active cases have gone past 1 lakh. So the decreasing trend which we were witnessing all from about 3 months is again going in an upward trend. And almost 8 states are there in India, which includes Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Delhi, where the upward trend is being witnessed. And this means that these states, despite all efforts, are seeing an increased number of COVID cases, and that is actually burdening the national COVID case load. And in current scenario, these 8 states have been contributing more than 85% of the total case load of the country, which has in fact equaled the record of December 26th, when more than 26,000 cases came to light in India.
Right. Ayushman, in the last Health Ministry briefing, we heard the government using some very stern words there. The government said that the rise in COVID cases is not due to any mutant strains, but it's because of people flouting COVID norms and not following COVID appropriate behavior. Does the government still maintain this position, or have they been able to find out what exactly is leading to this surge?
Well, currently, if you see, the centre has said that there is no role of a mutant variant in the surge, and there are teams which are already there in states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. The feedback that they are getting from the states is the fact that there has been testing which is not being done category wise, where the numbers are increasing. The specified testing has to be done in that area. The contact tracing is something that is missing on ground, and at the same time the gathering which the centre has pointed out is taking place. Like we are seeing the images from Tamil Nadu, where nobody in the political rallies is paying heed to the COVID appropriate behavior. Of course, the large gathering, when it takes place, the COVID appropriate behavior goes for a toss. This is something which is worrying, and currently in the states like Kerala, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, where the elections are taking place, the numbers are going to increase, and that will definitely be burdening the national COVID caseload, because centre feels it is not the COVID mutant strain, but people not following the COVID appropriate behavior. That is what is leading to the increasing number of COVID cases in states.
Right. Thank you, Ayushman, for that update and bringing us up to speed with that alarming surge in COVID cases across India and states that are leading to this rise. 78% of caseload is coming in from 5 states.